5 years ago, my husband, since 1960, was diagnosed with a heart problem. And his doctor said, keep his daily sodium under this many milligrams every day. That's when I became the sodium attacker. 12 days ago, we went to his heart doctor for a 6-month checkup. The doctor explained the numbers from my husband's blood work. He was thrilled. The numbers were low, his cholesterol was low. He was just very happy with the results of that blood test. And then doctor looked at me, he pointed his finger at me and he said, and you are doing a great job. That was a wow moment. Whoa, just made me feel so good. Enroll today to be on your way to be able to eat low sodium food that is not bland. One of the things that I love about Udemy is if a student goes through one of my courses and they say, oh, I knew all this about the sodium. I don't need this. 30 days. Udemy will refund your money. You have nothing to lose, and you have a whole life ahead of you to gain. Watching sodium can be scary. Sometimes we have to do a little bit of advanced preparation for our meals. Section 2 is going to take care of that little problem. In all of my low sodium cooking courses, every ingredient in every recipe is looked up for the amount of sodium. It's all tallied, and I'll tell you how much sodium is in the whole pan, the whole pot, how much is in a serving. This course uses only boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We can look up the sodium on our internet, and it's generally between 65 and 75 milligrams for 4 ounces. That doesn't mean we can go to the store and just pick up a package of chicken breasts. Well, we've got to look at that label. Some of them are packed in a saline solution, 260 milligrams per 4 ounces. It'll say it on the nutrition label. Just can't be too careful. My courses are never finished. As I develop new recipes, I add them and they automatically go to you. So, enroll today. Let's get started on a low sodium way of life.